Open.
I open the door. Ah.
What is it?
Hi.
It's a horse. And what's that?
Hi.
A heart.
Pull.
What does it say?
Pull.
Pull, pull, pull. Ugh. There you go.
Hi.
What does the heart say? Does it say Happy Valentine's Day?
Happy Valentine's
Who's it from? Oh, it's to Savvy from Kaylee and Kimbry. Oh. What does the horse say?
Day.
Yep. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Can you say I love you? Say I love you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Alright. Say bye.
Bye.
Can you give the horse a hug? Oh, you love your horse, huh?